Welcome back to Kamal Kunj Home Academy, Encounter with Physics. In this session, we will discuss about the laws of friction. The laws of friction between two bodies in contact are the laws of friction between two bodies in contact are number one, if the two bodies are moving over each other, the two bodies are moving over each other, the force of kinetic friction of kinetic friction is proportional to the normal contact force. And is given by Fk equal to mu k into normal contact force, where mu k is the coefficient of kinetic friction of kinetic friction, and N is the normal contact force. Means if two bodies are moving over each other, the force of kinetic friction is given by K multiplied by normal contact force. Now, number two, the direction of kinetic force of friction. The direction of kinetic friction force. Is opposite to the velocity of the body, opposite to the velocity of the body with respect to the body applying the friction force. The direction of kinetic force of friction is opposite to the velocity of the body with respect to the body applying the frictional force. Next is, if the bodies do not move over each other, the next is third, if the bodies do not move over each other, the bodies do not move over each other, then the force of friction is given by force of friction less than or equal to mu s into normal force of contact, where mu s is the coefficient of a static friction and N is normal contact force. That is, suppose this is the body over which this block is placed over here. Now the friction between these two bodies, so this is the force applied, this is the normal force, and this is the weight of the body. When friction force acts along opposite to this force. Now this force is applied and this block just starts moving. At the moment it starts moving, then this force is called limiting friction force. So this is actually max and is equal to this is the limiting friction force. This is the static friction force. This is the maximum force, static force, when the block just starts moving. The next is whether it is kinetic friction force or static friction force. Number 4, force of friction either kinetic friction force that is K, or a static friction force yes, do not depend on the area of contact. Do not depend on the area of contact as long as the normal contact force is same. Force that is M is same. That is kinetic friction force or static friction force, both do not depend on the area of contact of the bodies as long as normal contact force is same. Now we will stop here and continue further in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.